Xbox.
Hey, this is Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the keyboard on Inspiron 14z 5423. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon. Loosen the screw. Remove the access door. Separate the clips and remove the memory. Remove the screw. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully push the keyboard locking tabs in to loosen the keyboard. Unplug the keyboard cable. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out PartsPeople.com, where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.